E, EA, E blank E, and EY all say E, the long E. We are going to practice the long E sound. I'm going to say and you're going to say. Ready? Begin. Speed, keep, 3, leaf, beast, honey, leak, these, meek, feel, easel, peanut, Zeke, creek, peach, seek, green, reach, flee, chimney. Let's try it again. Speed, keep, 3, leaf, beast, honey, leak, these, meek, feel, easel, peanut, Zeke, creek, peach, seek, green, reach, flee, chimney. Excellent job. I'm going to have you say it by yourself now. Ready? Begin. Did you say them all? Good job. I'm going to point to a word and you say it. Remember, EA says EE says E, E blank E says E, and EY says E. What's the word? Excellent job. Peanut. What's the word? Good job. 3. What's the word? These. Excellent. Chimney. Excellent. You did a good job.